Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make the kitty treat box from the Cutting Craftorium haunted house. So let's carry on with the project. Okay, here are the pieces. We have the box itself, which I've already scored the lines with. We have the front of the cat, and we have the liner, which is going to fit there like that, and then I can add some jewels later, and then that's going to be the back of the box, and then later on we can use a piece of ribbon to tie them together if you wish. Okay, first things first, I'm going to glue the lilac piece to the back of this piece. Okay, so I'm just going to use the glue to do the edge. Be careful where the detail is. Okay, I'm just going to do the middle of the detail here, just so as it can hold onto the rest of the colour card. A little bit around the nose and the eyes, a bit more there and a bit there, and now that should fit. I'll try and line it up as best as I can. Again, not to worry, any excess glue will dry clear. This is a clear drying glue. I've got some on my fingers, but I'll be fine. Okay, we'll put that to one side now while we put the box together. So as you can see, I've already scored the lines, and now I'm going to assemble the box. So we'll do this edge first. And glue that together. Let's hold it. I'll just fold that back and I can get my hand in to hold it. Make sure the glue grips the card. Okay, and now we've just got the bottom and the other side to glue. So I'm going to have a go at doing both of them. Try and line that piece up. And go down as far as I can with my finger to grip it. If not, you can use a pen and try and push down inside to hold it and the bottom. Like so. And there we have the box ready. Now we can apply the back of the cat now. So I'm going to put some glue on the box itself to make sure that I don't get any glue anywhere else. I think I'm going to stand this up and try, but I want you to see as well. Try and line up the cat on the box. That looks brilliant. Perfect. And press down. Okay. There we go. He's actually standing up nicely now. And now the other part of the cat, the back of it, has got a little tail. So I've just bent that back. So when it's actually sitting, the tail will be like that. So again, we get the glue and glue the back of the box itself. And again, let's try and line these up. Yeah, they look perfect, as you can see. So I'll move his tail back a little bit so as I can give some pressure for the glue to grip the card. It's perfect. And then bend his tail back a little bit. Okay, so now we've done that, I've got some jewels, some little shiny embellishments that I'm going to put in his eyes. So which ones can I have? I would say those two. Those look the same size. Those there, yeah. So a little glue on both his eyes, and then they are self-adhesive, but I do like to use the glue for extra security, because you don't want the gems coming off, not when you've given them to who they're for. That looks brilliant. And then his little button nose, I think I'm going to use this tiny one here. Although his heart, it is a heart, his nose, sorry. I would like to use the same colour to match the actual colour card. And there we have it. A kitty treat box. And what you can do, you can thread some ribbon through each holes and tie them, and then you can give them as a gift. So there you have it, guys. I've put the little bow on, a little threaded ribbon to secure everything. So whoever gets this, I hope they like it. So if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. That'd be brilliant. And please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.